The NU Aqua 7-stage RO system offers an impressive 7-stage filtration process, including alkaline and ultraviolet filtration, ensuring exceptionally clean and safe water for your household. With a robust flow rate of 100 gallons per day, this system efficiently doubles the output of typical under-sink water filters, providing ample purified water for daily use. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, complete with a color-coded system and quick connect fittings, making it accessible for any standard kitchen sink setup. The system's superior ultraviolet and HydraCoil membrane filters are designed to remove up to 99% of over 1,000 pollutants, including harmful substances like arsenic and lead. An elegant, lead-free stainless steel faucet complements the system, adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen while ensuring the water dispensed is of premium quality. Offering a generous 120-day home trial and a 3-year warranty, the NU Aqua 7-stage RO system underscores its commitment to customer satisfaction and reliable performance.